This video is going to show how to pause circuit simulation with the watch function in OrCAD PSpice. Open the provided design in OrCAD PSpice Designer. Select PSpice, New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile Buck Converter Trans and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Set the run-to time to 10 milliseconds and click OK to create the simulation. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar. Click to place a probe on the Vout net. Right-click and select End Mode. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the simulation results. The output of the buck converter is noisy and does not hold at the desired 6 volts. Close the result window. Back in the schematic, select Place, Text from the menu. Enter the provided text to enable and configure the watch command. Click OK and click to place the text in the schematic. Right-click and select End Mode. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the result window. The simulation was paused because the watch command detected an output voltage of over 6.5 volts as shown in the output window panel. Click Stop to stop the simulation and view the plot. The simulation was run until the output voltage hit the specified 6.5 volts, around 134 microseconds. Close the result window. Back in the schematic, double-click the value of inductor L1 to change it. Enter 47 microhenries for the value and click OK. Double-click the value for capacitor C1. Change the value to 560 microfarads and click OK. Select resistor R6 and press Delete on the keyboard. Click and drag the wire to complete the connection. Double-click the value for resistor R2. Change the value to 470 and click OK. Select PSpice, Run from the menu. View the results. The output voltage now stays below 6.5 volts and the regulator operates properly. The simulation was not paused and the complete plot is shown. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.